Hello students, welcome to the online platform of Sharda Vidya Mandir CBSE. In this video, I am going to discuss about chance and probability. In our daily life, we might have crossed many situations where the result we think it happens or will not happen. Chance and probability deals with such kind of situations. Let us learn more about it. What is the chance that tomorrow will be Sunday if today is Saturday? What is the chance that the sun will rise in the east tomorrow? In both the cases, the chances are 100%. We know that Sunday always comes after Saturday and the sun always rises in the east. So we can say that both these occurrences are certain. A situation that is 100% sure to happen is known as a certain situation. What is the chance that a newborn baby will walk? What is the chance that you will pick a red balls from this box of black balls? We know that chance of each of these situations occurring is 0. A situation that has a no chance of occurring is known as an impossible situation. What is the chance that it will rain tomorrow? What is the chance that you will fall while playing? We cannot be 100% certain in case of each of these situations. At the same time, the situations are not impossible. For example, ask from the last few days it is raining. It is likely to rain tomorrow too. Consider the situation of a football game. There are two teams, Team A and Team B. What is the chance that Team A will win? What is the chance that Team B will win? Since both the teams are equally efficient and have an equal chance of winning, we say that there is 50% chance for both the teams to win. When the chances of a situation occurring or not occurring are equal, then the situation is said to be equally likely. In our daily life, there are events which are possible or likely but uncertain. We cannot be sure whether they would happen or not. It is possible or likely that Mr. Singh will win the election, but we cannot be sure. It is quite possible or very likely that you would be selected for the school team, but it is not certain. When we buy a lottery ticket, it is possible that we may win. But since lakhs of people would be bought the tickets, the chances of our winning are very less. Then we may say that there is a very poor chance of our winning, or to put it in other words, it is very unlikely that we will win. Let us discuss more one example. It is more likely that Sunny will pick up an apple without looking. It is less likely that we will draw a black card from a pack of 6 cards as shown. Let us discuss some examples of possible, impossible and certain event. You will throw a 7 with a normal die. It is an impossible event because a die has 6 faces numbered from 1 to 6. Then how 7 will come? That is why this event is an impossible event. But your friend will call you tonight. It is a possible event. because my friend can call me tonight. That is why this event is a possible event. Next, certain event. Thursday will be the day after Wednesday next week. It is a certain event. Let us discuss some examples of likely and unlikely. You will become an army officer when you grow up. It is possible or likely that when we grow up, that time you will become an army officer. There will be floods in Delhi in March next year. Here we may say that there is a very poor chance of flood in Delhi in March. Or to put it in other words, it is unlikely that there will be floods in Delhi in March next year. It will be a Thursday in one of the next 7 days. It is a certain event. Why? Because 1 week equal to 7 days. And Thursday is the 5th day of the week. So, it is traditionally true. That's why this event is a certain event. In this video, already I have discussed certain, possible, impossible event and equally likely, more likely and unlikely. Hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks to everybody. Namaskar.